Hello everyone. So today I'm not gonna post a tape reading, but I'm gonna explain the trade that I took, which went break even, unfortunately. So yeah, we had this big move down, okay, which broke the structure. Very straight move. Here we started to pull back, and for me this is intermediate term high. I will just explain why. Okay. So on the daily, this is a 4-hour view. On the daily view, this is my sell side liquidity that I'm targeting, okay? Because overall, this is the range from low to high, which broke the structure, took the liquidity, and mitigated, the breaker, daily breaker. So premium area, because this is an old low. And here again, daily premium area, okay, retest. We went down with a lot of liquidity. Okay, we took all this liquidity. You remember my trade from Wednesday, 2 days ago? We mitigated a 15-minute order block, which was around here, and I took the sell. Unfortunately, yeah, I did not took all this, but as you know, my goal is 1% a day. It's not to to take this move, which happens once in a week or in a month, So yeah, consistency always. So what was the aim for today? So I was waiting to sell into a premium. Okay, so here is the high to low range. Here is a 50% Fibo. And we had a 15-minute fair value gap just above. So I was aiming to trade from this fair value gap. Okay, so this morning we started right there at 8. Okay, they start. And so we made this big push. I wanted so we take buy side liquidity, So for me, the sell from there, it was kind of risky. You could try, but for me, there's nothing clear, The push was made from this low. And so we took the buy side liquidity, then shift in market structure with big candles. And then this is a type of entry that I want to talk about. Okay. So when it does something like this, the price comes back to this little order block, green order block, and then push again, forming a fair value gap. This probably means most of the time that it will not mitigate those fair value gap. It will leave those unmitigated. So you have to follow the order flow. Once you have a shift in market structure, you follow the order flow. So I took my sell right there. Okay. Short. And I knew it wouldn't. I mean, a safer stop loss would have been there, but I put my stop loss right there, exactly. And I was targeting this sell side liquidity. Sorry, this one. Up. Okay. And probably, yeah, I was first targeting this sell side, but probably, we had many 15-minute order blocks which we could target. And as my regular TP is 20 pips, this area would be optimal. It's 26 pips TP, so it would be optimal exit. So I took my trade right there. I saw that we made a kind of intermediate term high. Boom, we push. And then we go above this intermediate term high. So I closed the trade at break even when we went back around there. And yeah, that's it. For me, there was something strange, about this trade. I didn't expect this, but in fact, this was just inducement, BOS, and this could be the intermediate term high. Again, this is why it's kind of tricky sometimes, but your stop loss should be protected there, okay? So I shouldn't have moved to break even, and especially even though I moved to break even, I could have re-entered after we started forming this fair value gap, okay? So I could have re-entered, sorry, there, and there also, and there, etc., you know, with a stop loss above the intermediate term high until we break this low, which is responsible for the BOS. And then you can be sitting at break even safely normally, you know. So then you just wait and boom, GP. So that's it for the today. I was expecting downside since we were above the 50-minute, 50% Fibo inside the 15-minute fair value gap. I just waited for a buy-side liquidity take. This has not to happen every time. Huh? Sometimes it doesn't do something like this, but since we made a big push and this kind of price action is messy, I was expecting even a bigger move, to be honest. But this is fine. Once I saw that we have taken the liquidity and started forming order flow, I was okay, you know. So this happens. It's okay to be break even. And yeah, see you next week and trade safe. Hopefully, you have taken a good trade today, and yeah, trade safe, trade mindlessly.